Hi and welcome to part 2 of lesson 4 of WooCommerce Local Pickup Plus, managing pickup locations. Typical business hours. Enable this to set standard operating hours for pickup. Public holidays. Enable this to block pickups for specific holidays. Pickup lead time. Enable this to set a minimum waiting period before pickup. Pickup deadline. Enable this to set a maximum time limit for pickup. Now scroll up and click on Email List. Add email addresses to notify staff when this location is selected. Enter the emails separated by commas. Recipients will get new order, canceled order, and failed order notifications. Once the details are added, click the Publish button. We have successfully added a new pickup location. To import pickup locations, click Import Pickup Locations. Upload your CSV file and follow the steps to add locations in bulk. To export pickup locations, click Export Pickup Locations to download a CSV file for your locations. Make sure your CSV file is formatted correctly, with columns for titles, addresses, city, and postal code. That's it. You have now learned how to manage pickup locations and use CSV files for bulk imports and exports. Well, that wraps up our lesson. For more plugin tutorials, subscribe to Sleekr Digital.